Milo the Mouse lived at the edge of Maple Hollow and loved making noise. He tapped, thumped, and squeaked his way through the day. "Listen to me," he'd shout. "I have so many ideas." But others often walked away, their ears full. One quiet afternoon, Milo heard of a magical stone deep in the woods, one that echoed back your voice. "Perfect," he squeaked. "It'll definitely listen." He found the stone near a mossy tree. "Hello!" he shouted. "Hello!" the stone echoed. "I'm Milo!" he cried. "Milo," it replied. He kept going, louder and louder, until he grew tired. Then he whispered, "Do I talk too much?" "Too much," the stone answered gently. Milo sat down. For the first time, he was quiet. Birds sang, leaves rustled, a stream bubbled nearby. He smiled. "I've never really heard that before." He stood up slowly. "Thank you." "Thank you," the stone replied. What is the moral of the story? Sometimes the world speaks only when we're quiet enough to listen.